Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add custom fonts to a video in Capcut using your iPhone. So if you want to use a custom font, so a downloaded font from the internet, and you want to use it in your video in Capcut for your iPhone, then let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and download the font you require. So here I've searched for free fonts and I've come to this website. Browse through these and find the font that you want to use. So let's just use the first one here. We'll download that. Go ahead and tap download. Now, once that is downloaded, we'll go ahead and open that file. It's a zip file, so we need to extract it. Go ahead and tap on this, and this has now been extracted. So the font name is called Natural Folklore. So now we'll go ahead and go to your App Store. We'll go ahead and search for Capcut and make sure it's been updated to the latest version. If there's an update, go ahead and update the app. Now, once updated, go ahead and open the app. We'll tap on New Project. We'll go ahead and paste a video. So for example, this one here, add it. Now let's say we want to add our custom font to this video. So we'll go ahead and tap on text at the bottom. We'll tap on add text and we'll go ahead and type in something. So the Simple Dad. Now to use our custom font on this video, from the top here, we'll go ahead and swipe left until you see fonts. Tap on that. Now from the bottom here, go ahead and swipe left until you see My Fonts, which is right here. Now we'll go ahead and tap on Add, and then we'll go ahead and tap on My Fonts. We'll go ahead and search for that font. So it was in the download folder, and the name of that font was called Natural Folklore. So go ahead and tap on that. And then we'll go ahead and find the OTF file, which is right here. Tap on this. Then we'll go ahead and tap open. Now the font has been installed. And as you can see, the font has been applied to our video. So there you go, guys. That is how to apply custom fonts to your video in Capcut using your iPhone.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.